Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn calculation of interest on drawing by monthly drawing method. See, there are three cases in this method: when drawings are made in the beginning of every month, when drawings are made at the end of every month, and when drawings are made in the middle or at any time during the month. So again we will take one example. Suppose partner A is withdrawing rupees 2000 per month and rate of interest on drawing is 12% per annum. So according to first case, that is when drawings are made in the beginning of every month, we will calculate interest on drawing. See, if partner A will withdraw rupees 2000 per month, so total amount of drawing will be 24,000. We have to apply this formula, that is total drawings into rate upon 100 into average period upon 12. So here you can see total amount of drawing will be 24,000 because 2000 will be multiplied by 12 and rate of interest is 12%, and we have to calculate average period. See, average period will be calculated with the help of this formula, that is time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing upon 2. If partner will withdraw first amount on April 1, so April 1 to March 31 total time period will be left 12 months, and see, he will withdraw last amount on March 1, so time period left after last drawing will be March 1 to March 31, that is 1 month. So like this average period will come 6.5 and this average period will be applied in this formula. So 24,000 into 12 upon 100 into 6.5 upon 12, our interest on drawing will come 1560. Okay, now you can see when drawings are made at the end of every month. So still you can see total amount of drawing will be 24,000. So 24,000 into 12 upon 100, and again we have to calculate average period. So for the calculation of average period there is only one formula, that is time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing upon 2. So if we will withdraw, partner will withdraw amount at the end of every month. So first amount will be withdrawn on April 30. So April 30 to March 31 total time period will be 11 months, and last amount will be withdrawn on March 31. March 31 to March 31 time period will be 0. Like this 11 upon 2, and average period will come 5.5. And again we will apply this in the formula, and interest on drawing will come 1320. Last one, that is when drawings are made in the middle or at any time during the year, during the month. So in that case your average period will be 6. Okay, how we will calculate average period? Because if we will withdraw first amount on April 15, so time period will be left 11.5, and last amount will be on March 15, so time period will be 0.5, that is 12 upon 2, and like this it will come 6. So interest on drawing according to this method will come 1440. Thank you.